Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Photos app. Now select one of your folders from which you want to get rid of your photos, like camera, and hold the one that you wish to delete. In my case, this one. Now to select all of those, just click on those type of dots at the top left corners. Then to delete them, tap on this bin next to shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, tap on Got It and choose Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!